Today I will be showing to you how you can make $100 per day by staking your money inside Garudaswap Finance. As you can see here, I've made a previous video about Garudaswap 2 days ago, last May 9, 2021, in which I've entered Garudaswap when the price is around 0.6 and I am getting around 34,000 APR. Okay, and I'm getting around 100% daily on this current price. And in my previous video as well, which is yesterday, the Garuda price goes up by 1.1, and I am earning around, and I gain my 80% investment in just a day. So that's like I've staked $160 worth of Garuda, and I computed last night. The price of my pool is around 202, and now the price of Garuda swap is 1.4, and I've earned around $94, which if extended in the next 2 hours or 1 hour, it will be around $100. So I'm going to explain to you how you can make stable money and what you should do on this brand new uh, Garuda swap that is some kind of fork of Pancakeswap. So in this area right here, you will go to the farm part, and as you can see here, the APR is around 9,768, which when you compare it here, it is a lot more lesser, but because of the amount of money being put it inside the platform, the APR goes lower. So that's pretty much common here, and you don't have anything to be worried about because you're still earning decent amount of money here. You're still earning 26% daily, and it's still not a bad decision to put your money here because uh, in this case probably you'll get your money back in the next 3 to 4 days, and Garuda Swap is not going anywhere because they're also launching new farms in the next 24 hours, which has ADA BNB, Link BNB, Uniswap BNB, and even XRP BNB. And they said enjoy Garuda Swap ultra high APR of 2000% per day. So that's really really big, and for me, um, I'm pretty much good on this one because uh, the money that I've earned, okay, last night I got my money back already. So the money that I have here in the pool is just my profits. So what do I mean by that? This profits that this Garuda that I have here, it's just a passive income. So this 54.54 Garuda earned, this is what I've earned from my profits alone. So I don't have my money here. I got my money back already here, and it's really good because you don't have to do anything about this one. As you can see on the DappRadar, they are also at the number 9 spot, and they are new. So basically, yesterday it is around here, around 13, rank 13, alongside Jaguar Swap, and then right now it passes 1 inch network on Ethereum and on BSC, and it's really going up, and probably because of the influx of users, as you can see here, there's a 34,000 increase of users. Probably tomorrow we will probably reach around top 6 or maybe top 7, I don't know, but this is really good time for you to stake and earn Garuda while it is still new. As you can see here, Garuda just launched May, and even though Garuda Swap, let me just pull up the chart for you. Even though Garuda Swap goes lower by around 90%, okay, always remember, I've personally entered at this part right here, 0.5. As you can see here, it says 0.6, right? So it's around in this area right here. Okay, so it's still early. There's a lot of people who've lost their money in this recent dump scenario. Um, we've pretty much earning good amount of money here, and of course for the long term potential, probably since Garudaswap is getting higher and higher and higher, we can probably reach this amount, this price right here, which is around 3. Actually my take profit is around 1.4, so I'm getting my money here live, okay, in this video, so that I can show to you that I am really earning money here in this platform. So what I'm just going to do, no, I'm going to get my money first here. I'm going to harvest this one. So you need to pay pretty much a small amount here. So you're going to harvest your Garuda, and then it will be reflected into your Pancakeswap platform. So as you can see, uh, I'm harvesting my hard-earned money in Garudaswap, and it's pretty cool because you're not doing anything. You're making a stable amount of money, and of course there's you're being rewarded because I am the first one. You are also the first one who've seen this platform before it really gets higher, because as you can see here, PancakeSwap is around $35. Even if you look at PanterSwap, I think it is around I do have PanterSwap though. It is around 2.3 Panther. So as you can see here, I get around 87.51 Garuda in wallet. So what I'm just going to do here is, of course, I'm going to withdraw this one. So for you to withdraw this money, okay, you just need to click I understand on this area right here, and then you're going to swap your 60 Garuda into 0.13485 BNB, which translates into around $87, which is not really bad at all. You're actually making good amount of money here. So you're going to swap this one. If you've noticed, it's $95, then it's 87, because there are some fees inside, and you can't avoid this one because you're earning money from it. So what I'm just going to do here is I'm going to swap my 60 Garuda into BNB. So I'm just going to confirm the swap. So let's try to fix the slippage into 1%. Maybe we can okay, so we can get a slippage tolerance of 1%. Maybe 5% will do. Let's see. Okay, it's not working. Let's try to 10% slippage tolerance. Okay, so it's now working. So we will just confirm this one. Okay, as you can see here in BSC scan, I'm just going to refresh this one. I'm going to refresh, and I think it is here in my Pancakeswap swap exact tokens for BNB. So as you can see here, I'm recording it live. I'm getting my money here. I got, actually this is a pure $100 per day. So this is my third time of recording it, and I receive it into my BNB. And if you've noticed why I do have only $140 here, it is because I also bought Abda. Okay, so I've seen this into my group. Okay, I got tipped out that Abduck is a good shit coin to buy right now. So as you can see here, I bought it at I think around 0.14, and of course I'm not sure. It's Pancakeswap is really congested right now, and of course the price is 0.12. I'm just going to 2x my money there, And that is it for this, guys. Okay, as you can see here, if you compare this video, okay, that I do have a while ago, um, last night the market cap is around the market cap is around 6 million. Okay, 6 million. The first day that I've shooted this, okay, the first day that I've shooted this, I do have a market cap of 1. Do have a market cap of 1.5 million. So as you can see here, we've recently see 10x on this market cap, and of course the total value lock is around 36 million, which when you compared it a while ago, actually 2 days ago, it is around let me see it for you. It's not shown, but uh, the first time that I've entered here, the market the TVL is around 9 million. So as you can see here, there's really good potential on this one. um, it's a really good project. They're killing it alongside with other farms. I'm getting a really good passive income on this one, and it's really easy to deposit because you would just need to have a pancake swap for you to be able to earn Garuda. So if you're interested as well to buy and stake Garuda swap, I'm going to share to you the link below the description below, and I hope that you are also going to make money from it. And please do comment if you are a current stakeholder of Garuda, and I will always be happy to help other people as well here. So if you like this video, guys, please do subscribe into my channel. My name is Crypto Addict. I'm creating more of videos of staking, um, games, okay, and even other uh, coins to join as well. So see you on the next video, and peace.